Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. Today I am doing something I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I've been terrified to do it. I am finally going to jump into the whole collection project pan. I watched Becky Loves Kanga do this one and it terrified me, but it's something I really loved watching and I really wanted to do. But it was out of control, my collection. I really had to go through everything and I had just let too much time go by. Sorry. I had just let everything get out of control and my inventory wasn't up to date and I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So anyway, there was that. And then I've been watching Alexy do it and some other people, and I'll link everybody that I can find down below. I think there's a list, so I'll link that. But I just really wanted to do it, but also was terrified to do it. So I'm gonna do it now. The difference is I cannot list my eyeshadow palettes by pans, so I'm not gonna do that. That would be a nightmare. So that part really bothered me. So we're just not gonna do it. My eyeshadow palettes are gonna be listed by eyeshadow palette. And I will still wanna hit pan. But I will just hit pan in an eyeshadow in the palette. So that's how that will work. I also have a, what do you call it? I have a section for samples for perfume and then like makeup samples and skincare samples. So anyway, I have those listed. I didn't list the samples singly. I just put them in a category. And if I roll that category, I will reach into that basket and I will pull out a sample, or in the case of my perfumes, well, time moved them. I will just reach in and grab whatever's in here. So that being said, I think we are ready. So I am just gonna go ahead and roll and I will show you that here somewhere. And I will choose 10 items at random. And I am going to stick with the items that I pick. If I get like 10 eyeshadows, then so be it. Let's hope that I don't. But yeah, okay, I will be right back with those items. Okay, I'm back and I have my products here. So I got 3 foundations. This is not in the order that I drew them, but you get the idea. I will update you in that order, I think, though. So anyway, I've got my products here, and well, the first one I have so I have the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Pale. This one is like to here, so there's not a ton left in here, maybe about 1/3 of it. And I'm so pale now that I probably don't even need to use this as a mixer. I can just put it straight on. So there's that. And then I got this brand new, well, full Stila Serum Foundation in light aqua glow. So I guess we'll figure out if I like that. I will have to use it. And I got the Lancome dual finish. I really love this powder foundation, but I haven't used it. I've only used it a couple of times. So there's what that looks like. Pretty much new. So 3 foundations and 5 lip products, or 6, depending on how you want to look at that one. So I have this NARS. It's the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Rowdy. So this is actually a lovely formula and I'm looking forward to that. It's a really pretty nude and I am almost done with another nude. So this should be fun to use. It's new though. I have never used that. And then I have, this is exciting. I have the LA Splash Classic Horror liquid lipstick in Serene. It's like Cyrene. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but look at how cute this is. It's so cute. So I am excited to use this. Again, I had never used this before. And then I got the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Mandarin O. It's so cute. So I'm looking forward to using this. What else? Oh, I got the YSL Volupte Plump in Balm, I think they're called. But it is actually pretty well used and loved. And it has a cute little heart. But yeah, I don't think I'll have a problem finishing this. I love this. It's just like a lip balm with like a little tingle and a little bit of gold reflect in it. It's real pretty. I'll swatch these for you in a minute. The final lip product I have is this Tarte one. And it has like two, it's Sangria is the color, but it has like two, and again, it's pretty full. It's got the lipstick on one side. It has the gloss on the other. I actually had this listed in my collection as two things at one point, but I took one of them out. So I think I'm not going to count this as done until they're both gone because it's one item. And that is the point, is getting the numbers down. So I'll be using these. I also have the Too Faced Crystal Whips liquid eyeshadow, and it's lit. It's like a duochrome gold orange kind of deal, and orange is like a theme here. Also the Softwear blush from Lime Crime in Firewall, which is orange. Yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. I got a lot of new products, so like untouched, I should say, untouched products. So that's what this looks like. And by untouched, I mean I might have swatched it or worn it like once, but yeah. So this should be fun because I'm going to be working on some of these for a very long time, but I'm okay with that. Oh, I also forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that if I don't like something, I will declutter it and I will count that as something I finished, because it is, after all about the numbers. So that's what I'm going to do. So if I hate this blush and I declutter it, it's going to count towards the 10 as one thing checked off. So 10 things gone from my collection. You get the idea. Anyway, let me go ahead and swatch all of these things for you real quick. Okay, so this one down here at the bottom, that is the YSL lip balm with the gold. We're not gonna swatch the foundations. This right here is actually the lip gloss and the lipstick from Tarte in Sangria. This is LA Splash Cyrene right here. Beautiful. The nude next to that is this one from NARS. It is, what's it called? Rowdy. And then MAC Powder Kiss in Mandarin O is this one right here. Super pretty. What else do we have? Oh, okay, this up here is that duochrome. I don't know if you're gonna catch that. It's like a duochrome eyeshadow from Too Faced right here. It's really, really pretty. I love these things. Kind of like the Stila Shimmer and Glow. And then this Firewall blush from Lime Crime is this up here. It's really cool. So that should be fun to play with. Anyway, those are all of my products for my whole collection of Project 10 Pan. That's a lot of lip products, so wish me luck. I should be able to finish the YSL one before too long. and maybe the NYX foundation. The other stuff, it's gonna take me a while. But again, if I hate something, I will declutter it. So that could open up a spot. But I'm not gonna declutter stuff, you know, just for the sake of moving the project along. I will only declutter something if I really just decide I don't want it in my collection. So that's gonna be everything for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave me some comments down below because I love talking to you guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye.